Hey folks, today is December the 18th. It's currently 6:53 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our FXMode weekly update review. I did take a look at this one earlier on in the week. I wanted to get the MyFX book account set up. And as you guys can see, that is set up here. So you guys can watch it kind of on a daily basis. All right, let's see what we got. Wow. Okay, so this week it looks like we lost 0.49%. Overall, at this point, we're down 4.63%. I know when I had set up the MyFX book account, at one point we were up pretty nicely here. So it looks like on the 15th. So that was on Tuesday. So that's when I checked it. On Tuesday, it looks like we were up again, and we had made back just about everything that we had lost in the previous week. Almost got back up to break even, but it looks like at some point, for some reason, things kind of took a turn for the worst. And I know this is not the best period to be trading in. And let's see. 20% win rate this week. And overall, we're at about an 18% win rate. So definitely not looking good right now. But we'll just keep on letting it run. We have 2 more weeks on this one to see how it's going to do. And I'm pretty sure they said something. Let me check the members area. Give me one moment. All right. That's just saying, if you haven't watched our new video on FXMode library, please watch it there. And let's go to dashboard real quick. It's interesting. All right, due to last few weeks of the year, the market is very unstable. Our trades will be a bit slower, so give us some time and be patient. Quality trades over quantity. All right, so that's kind of the update that they gave us here. And as you guys can see, for example, minus 20 pips there. So they are putting in the trades that they're giving us here. It's just that, unfortunately, we haven't had a good string of winning trades to get us back into profit like we want to see. And where was it at here? December 15th. It looks like this is where we had those few winning trades that really pushed us back to almost break even. And you can see that here. So the 15th was definitely a good day. I'm pretty sure that's when we had that nice bump. And yep, December 15th. All right. And then later on in the week, we took losses, obviously. This is just showing the minus 20 pips. But we definitely took some losses later on in the week that kind of ate up those profits that we had earned earlier. So that's kind of the situation we're in right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual trading here. All right, so as we can see, we have a few trades, or just actually one trade going into the weekend, $2.38 in the red, and we're currently at $953. On the 15th, which was, I believe it was Tuesday, this was up to like $993 or somewhere around there. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what's happened here. All right. First day of the week was the 14th. And as we can see here, that's December 15th. We had that nice $34 win. Then the next day, Wednesday, we had a $9 loss. And Thursday, we had an $11 loss and a $10 loss. And also a $7 loss. So unfortunately, like I said, the losses kind of just ate up this nice winning trade here. But one good thing I see about this is that we were able to hit, what pair was this? XAU USD. We were able to see that we got, I guess, a win that was 3 times as large as our typical loss. So if we say our loss is typically about $10 or less, then this $34 win definitely did what it was supposed to. And XAU USD. Do I have that chart up? Here it is here. We can take a look at this trade so we can see what I'm talking about here. All right. Make that a little bit bigger. So as we can see, we entered the trade. We had a 54 pip stop, and our profit target overall was 256 pips, and we ended up taking profit here at 171. So it looks like we definitely did have the proper risk to reward ratio on this particular trade, and that was a heck of a move. But obviously we don't know beforehand what the market's going to do. It could have just as easily, bounced back down at this level here. So definitely happy that we had this winning trade. Anyway, we have 2 weeks to go. Hopefully this particular EA can kind of redeem itself, even though we are in a bad period right now. As we get closer to Christmas, things are going to be a little off and probably won't get back to normal until a few weeks into January. But we'll let it run, see how things go, and hopefully it can bounce back into profit. We're not too far off. Just about, $46 away from break even. So we'll see what he can do in the next 2 weeks of trading. Not expecting much next week as it is Christmas week. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever on FX Mode, don't hesitate to send them my way. And if you want to test it out yourself, make sure you guys use the link below to help support the site. All right, take care. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Our next to final update review for FX Mode will be December 25th, Christmas Day. Take care, folks. Have a great weekend.